Good morning from Key West, you guys. Oh my god.
Ow, I'm gonna bruise.
You didn't have to be that intense. So today we are going to hang out at our resort for a little bit. We're gonna go down to the pool area and take some pictures and get some lunch. And then we are taking a shuttle to downtown and we are taking you with us this time. We're gonna go to Mallory Square and we're probably gonna do Duval Street again, but with the cameras this time. So we maybe won't be getting as lit. Let's do it. But y'all have to check out these pictures that I just took of this beautiful girl right here because they came out stellar. Can we just take a second to appreciate this attire? Oh my goodness. What a snack of a best friend I have. They're so funny. That one's really getting that apple. She enters the pool slowly.
What if it's cold?
Is it cold?
No.
No, because it's Key West.
It's a little bit chilly, a bit tickly.
I'm sorry, what?
A bit tickly and a bit chilly.
I don't think she knows what country she's in.
When I get awkward, I turn British or Southern, I'm not sure.
Did you guys know iguanas just love British accents? Because they do, apparently.
Just chocolate in my face. Sorry. I just ate a croissant.
Well, now that we sweat off all our makeup, we're just going to chill for a while and relax poolside, enjoy our beautiful resort, and then in a few hours we are going to catch a shuttle down to Mallory Square.
6 feet apart. Hello. We are in Mallory Square, ladies and gentlemen of the internet, and there's chickens. We have a shuttle from our lovely hotel. It's a Hilton. Paid for by my sugar mama.
Ew.
Thank you.
I love you.
I guess when you get an expensive hotel, you get free shuttles, so it's a perk.
It is a perk. Every hour on the hour.
Yes, ma'am.
There's so many chickens and iguanas everywhere. I love it.
Iguana about it. Okay, bye.
So excited to show my best friend around Mallory Square because this was one of the first places I ever vacationed to when I was little with my dad. So let's see Mallory Square. Since the early 1820s, Mallory Square has always been the place to see when visiting Key West. From it being the best place on the island to watch the sunset, to having everything you could want to eat, see, or buy within walking distance, you have to make your way down to check it out if you're visiting the Keys. Mallory Square is usually a lot more filled with artists and their art and music and magicians, but considering it's Corona, it's mainly just people hanging out by the water and chilling like we are. But we're gonna check out some shops nearby and get some food because I'm hungry. Let's go sit next to your future husband. The way he looks at you.
He has no teeth.
He has no teeth. I would love to get a smoothie.
Can we get a strawberry mango and a strawberry key lime?
Strawberry mango and a strawberry. Okay.
Thank you. So I got a key lime and strawberry smoothie and she got a mango and strawberry smoothie. But yeah, so they have 50% off days. Today's Sunday, so they had it 50% off. So we got both of them for $7 and they are fantastic and really refreshing in this humidity.
The juice bar.
bae?
It says, Baruka,
Bahama,
come on.
pretty mama. Jess, did you just trip on the cobblestone?
Yes.
I'm very convinced. There's a lot of heads over there. Oh my god. Why are some of them taller than others?
Maybe it's for the aesthetics. Hey, if you were in oldie times, you would totally go for John Bart.
Would I?
This would be your husband.
Okay, I'm gonna find your husband.
Okay. I picked you a nice one. He does have a big nose.
I did not know that chickens chilled out in trees. Fascinating. That's so random. So Duval Street is a 1 mile long stretch of bars and restaurants. It's a great place to walk around with family, grab some souvenirs, check out nearby museums, eat some dinner, or come and spend the night bar hopping with your friends. Key West has a huge celebration around Halloween time, and of course it has been canceled for 2020, but we did still see a lot of people dressed up for the occasion. Duval Street is definitely one of my favorite places for nightlife that I have been to in my travels, and this is actually my 3rd time here. It's just one of those places that draws you back in. Jess and I have been like slowing down a lot near the stores to get the air conditioning because it's a little bit too much humidity. How is it? We came to Sloppy Joe's because this is a really popular place to come to in Key West, and we had to check it out. Oh my god, so I got the key lime cider because key lime is a very big thing here in Key West, and it's really good. And this bar has really good prices, so definitely check it out if you come to Duval Street.
I have a whole cup of tequila.
Oh yeah. She had that at 6 o'clock, and it's 6:45. Straight tequila. They say that they do generous pours here. Absolutely. We're gonna do some more bar hopping for a little while. Not gonna take you with us any longer. So I hope you enjoyed our awesome day around Key West and Mallory Square and adventuring, and we will catch you all tomorrow when we head back to Fort Lauderdale.